Hello and welcome back to Just Code It. Today we're going to be taking a look at Plotly Scatterplots. I might sound a bit off today. I've been battling the flu all week. Finally feeling a little bit better, but my voice sometimes goes out. But let's just get going. Like always, we're going to start out with our imports and then create some fake data. Here we're just going to create some a data table with age, salary, department, and then performance score, like an HR department. The first kind of scatterplot we're going to take a look at is just a simple bare minimum scatterplot. We're just going to take the age on the X and the salary on the Y and just plot it. As you can see, there's really no relationship between that since we're using random data. One of the most common ways of using a scatterplot is either altering the size or color dimension. So we're going to take a look at that next, starting with this. Here is the code for that. We're going to pass in the data frame, define our x-axis as age, y-axis as salary, color by that department. That will be the labels. We're going to actually define labels just to make it neater text. And we're going to use the size is going to be that performance score. So the performance score is higher, larger size. Title and hover data, we're just going to give it the department and the performance score when you hover over a value. We're going to run. And as you can see, when we hover, we get the department and performance score as well as the actual coordinates. We have our legend and title and everything. Another very common type of scatterplot is a faceted scatterplot, basically just stacking a couple scatterplots. You can see some relationships easier that way. And how we do this is it's an actual specific type of scatterplot, and you do a faceted figure equals px scatter, df, everything else the same, but then facet column is going to be department. So instead of coloring by the department, it's going to stack it by the department, and then facet column wrap is going to be 1. So basically how many rows, then the title, like always. Send it. And here you can see we have all the different facets, salary versus age, all the different departments. And you can see that we now have a salary versus age for all the different departments neatly displayed on top of each other, allowing you to see some trends easier or some relationships easier. Next up, we have a multi-dimensional scatterplot. These are just fun to do. Everybody likes 3D stuff. What we're going to do is on the z-axis, do that performance score and then color by department. So you just add that z to it. And this is a pretty bad data set to do it since it's all just random data, but you can jump around and see a multi-dimensional scatterplot. That is it for scatterplots. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time.